So, yung pangalawang report ko naman is Instructional Design Models. What is instructional design? In 1962, Robert Glaser synthesized the work of previous researchers and introduced the concept of instructional design. Instructional design as a process, the systematic development of instructional specifications using learning and instructional theory to ensure the quality of instruction. The entire process of analysis of learning needs and goals and the development of delivery to meet those needs includes development of instructional materials and activities and tryout and evaluation of all instruction and learning activities. Instructional design as a discipline naman is branch of knowledge concerned with research theory about instructional strategies and the process of developing and implementing those strategies. Instructional design models or theories may be defined and frameworks for developing modules or lessons that una is increase and or enhance the possibility of learning. Pangalawa, encourage the engagements of learners so that they learn faster and gain deeper levels of understanding. So, yun lang po yung report ko. Thank you!